Hey everyone, you probably know what a ruler is. It helps you measure things, right? But did you know there are different kinds of rulers for different jobs? A standard ruler and a meter stick are great for measuring real objects, like a notebook or the height of a table. But what about measuring something huge, like a building or a city? That's where a scale ruler comes in. It's a special tool that lets us understand how big something is in real life just by looking at a drawing. A scale ruler works with a ratio. A ratio is a way to compare two numbers. You'll see a ratio on a drawing that looks like this: 1:500. This ratio is the key. It tells you that 1 centimeter on the drawing is actually 500 centimeters in real life. And since you already know that 500 centimeters is the same as 5 meters, that means 1 centimeter on the paper is actually 5 whole meters in the real world. A scale ruler helps you make this conversion without having to do all the math yourself. Let's look at a 1:500 scale ruler. The longest lines mark off every 10 meters in real life. The medium lines show you every 5 meters. The shorter lines show you every 1 meter. The shortest lines show you every half of a meter. Scale rulers help engineers, architects, and artists make huge ideas fit onto a single page. Now you know the secret to reading their plans. This man has a height of 1.5 meter. If we create a miniature of him at a 1:500 scale, the model would be approximately 3 millimeters tall. Roughly 20% the height of a 25 centavo coin. For comparison, here are the sizes at different scales. At 1:300 scale, at 1:100 scale. Building miniature actual height in real life in different scales. The actual height of this building miniature in real life is 62 meters in a scale of 1:500. The actual height of this building miniature in real life is 49.5 meters in a scale of 1:400. The actual height of this building miniature in real life is 37 meters in a scale of 1:300. The actual height of this building miniature in real life is 24.9 meters in a scale of 1:200. The actual height of this building miniature in real life is 12.4 meters in a scale of 1:100.